Hello everyone and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll be showing you how to get free domain for WordPress websites in 2023. So if you're looking to create a WordPress website on a budget in 2023, getting a free domain can be a great option. So in this step-by-step guide, we will show you how to secure a free domain for your WordPress websites. So make sure to stick by. Let's dive right into this video and let's get started. Before we start with this video, make sure to watch us from now till the end so you have full experience. First, we'll have to go on course and choose a free domain provider. There are several domains providers that offers a free domain names. Some popular options include Free Gnome, Infinity Free, and .tk. You can visit their websites and explore the available domain extensions. For me, of course, to do that, you'll have to go and open whatever browser you're going to do to follow, or whatever browser you're going to use to follow this tutorial steps with. Here in my case, I'm actually going to use the Brave, and of course, in your case, you can use any other browser this could possibly have. Once you do so, you will have, of course, to search for available domains on the options that I told you before. So let's just open them all. So Free Gnome, as we said, and we'll have to look for Infinity Free, Infinity Free. I'm not typing it correctly, but it's fine. Here is it. And the last one is just going to be .tk and hit the enter button. And as you can see, this gets you right away into the home screen, and we should go and click on the first link on every option of those. So for you, make sure to explore the available domain extensions, and you can visit, of course, by visiting their website, so you can go and check that with your own self. And depending on whatever you like, you can simply go and create an account in there. So an example, let's see here, free domain for all. You can check availability. As an example, I'm just going to free tester helper as an example. I'm just going to look for that and check availability. And once you click check availability, of course, make sure to have like a proper domain name, like not just like me. For you, of course, for your business. For me, I'm just entering some random stuff. Then simply click on my check availability. I don't know why it's not working. So let's just go to the other one example at the moment. Of course, for this website, you'll have to go and log in at your account if you have an account at the top right corner. If you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create an account from here. Just click on register. And as you can see, it's going to be pretty simple to log in into your account or to create an account. Simply enter your email address, as example, and like this. And of course, you'll have to do or create a password again. So it's going to be pretty simple again, and you'll have to confirm that password and make sure to check this. I've read and agreed the terms of service. Make sure to even read them. Motorcycles, you'll have to finish, of course, this, and you will be good to go. So they will send the verification email to your email. So let me just go into my email and check if I get that email. And yeah, here is it. Infinity Tree. So simply go and click on that. And as you can see, make sure to click on verify your email. And here we are. So let's just even close this. We don't need this anymore. And as you can see, we have an account, not account. There is no account yet. We can go and create an account at the moment, depending on whatever you want. So for us, what we'll need to do, simply go to check a domain checker. And here we'll have to type like helper tester test and click on check domain name. As you can see, the domain does not match the format of domain name. A domain name should be, okay, so we should add .com, my bad. Let's just click on check domain. As you can see, no name servers were found on your domain name and hosting account status. So the domain is not assigned to an infinite free account. Please add domain hosting account to show your websites on it. So basically, you'll have to do that. Of course, all please note, as you can see, that name servers can change, can take few hours before taking an effect. So maybe if you just change them, you'll have to wait a bit. Of course, for the free gnome, of course, you'll have to check for that also. So I'm just going to type here free helper or test helper free and .com. Let's just add .com just in case and click check for availability. And it seems like it's not working here also. So I guess the Infinity Free will be the best, or I guess you'll have to log in into your account maybe, or to create an account if you want to use it. Maybe that's the case. So here as you can see, you'll have to solve the puzzle. So please at the end, let's just go here and submit. As you can see, so click on success or success. So they should take us to another page. It's loading at the moment. So basically for you, make sure to do that by your own, which is searching for available domains. Then once you seek or you find the domain that you want, you'll have to select this. And once you find the available domain that suits your website purposes, you can select this, and you will usually have a choice of domain extensions such as .tk or .ml or .ga and more. Of course, normally you'll not find .com or something like that, but it's not going to be a big deal. Then you'll have to complete the registration process. You'll have to follow the registration process provided by the domain name provider, and this might involve like creating an account, entering your contact details, and agreeing to their terms and condition. Then you'll have to verify your email as we did here in the Infinity Free, and of course you'll have to configure the domain name settings as example. So as example, okay, they'll look for us here. So as you can see, all of those are not available, but you can of course get like those, but you'll have to go and pay for that. We don't want that example. So I don't know, randomize free dot tk as an example, and look again, and let's see as an example, they are looking again at the moment. They will show all the results here, or cannot found anything. So at the moment you will not find here. So simply type whatever you want, and once you find your own, then you will have to go and sign up for a WordPress. As an example, let's say that you found it for yourself. Go to WordPress. Of course, you'll have to log in into your account if you have an account. If you don't have an account, you'll have to go and create your own one, and then simply go to your site as an example here. And as you can see, you will find here the URL. You can simply go and click on edit. Once you click on edit, you will be taken to another page as an example. So basically, you'll have to link your domain and hosting together. And as you can see, once you click on edit, you'll be able to edit the page. And even you can simply click on then on customize your domain. And from here, you'll be able to simply enter the domain name that you already have. As an example, I'm just going to type here a domain. And as you can see, .com. So let's just click on that. Or not this one, sorry. I should not have selected that. So let's just go back, because that you'll have to pay. So let's just select .com. And let's see. From here, it seems like we're not finding it. Let's just go with .com. And I don't know why it's not available here, but I own like a domain name with this. Yeah, I own it on Google or WordPress. That's why I guess it's not showing. But for you, what you'll have to do is simply select it. And as you can see, once you do so, you will have to simply log in or link your domain name. If it's like on another provider like there, they'll ask you to log in into your account, or by a prompt you'll be taken to. Once you do so, make sure to log in into, once you logged in your domain name, make sure to configure your DNS settings and install your WordPress. You can use like the host 10 providers tools to install WordPress in your domain, and this usually involves one-click installation process. Then you can of course customize your website however you want, and review your website before anything, and publish your websites, and you will be after that good to go. So if you reached this point of this video, congratulations. In 2023, of course, obtaining a free domain for your WordPress websites is an affordable way to establish your online presence by choosing a free domain provider. Or if you want to, you can even use one of their domains here provided by WordPress. But as you can see, it's just for free for the first year with annual paid plans. But after that, you'll be able, or you'll have to go and pay for that. So you can choose that if you want to. So with these steps, of course, you'll be well on your way to launching your free WordPress website with a domain that suits your brand and vision. So if you like this video, make sure to leave a like down below, subscribe for our channel for more helpful tutorials like this one, and I will see you in the next video.